channel. Today I have the March Boxycharm boxes to share with you. I have the Luxe and the Premium here. We're going to get started with the smaller one, which is the Premium. Alright, and for the theme this month, it is Lucky, which is suiting with St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to go ahead and dig right into it. The first thing that I have is by Ebates. It's their illuminating eye serum and primer and a shimmer palette. So the outside of the palette looks like, there's the inside. So I did do some swatches of this already, and they're kind of like eyeshadow toppers. You could probably build them up to be nice eyeshadows, but there's a lot of glitter in them, and I kind of like how they're more neutral shades. So if you do want to use them as a topper, you could put them even on top of a colorful shade and just kind of give it that glitter reflective wow factor. So I look forward to using that one. And then the next one that was in here is the eye serum and primer. I've never used anything like this that claims to be a eye serum and primer, so I'm interested to give that a try. It says to gently pat a thin layer around your eye area. I wonder if it means it's a primer like for concealer on your under eye mainly, or what? I'll have to look a little more into that. It says this pairing packs technology forward, skincare first, illumination and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for Boxycharm and is not for resale. Retails for $145 though? Wow. That is quite a bit for those two items. Next I have by Too Faced their Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. And I've had a sample of this before. I think I got in a Ipsy bag way back when it was a smaller size. And I do like it, especially for when I have drier skin like right now. There's the packaging. That one, this revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate, while locking down makeup for fresher, longer, more flawless wear. Retails for $35. So that's not too bad for a primer. Then I have by IGK their Prenup Instant Spray Hair Mask. I've never seen a spray hair mask before, so that should be interesting. But I guess it would be kind of more convenient instead of having to dip your hand down into the whole tub and deal with the water getting into it and everything, you know, that you do with those tubs in the showers. They can be aggravating sometimes to deal with. So for this one, it says this high-powered in-shower treatment performs like a traditional hair mask but works in under a minute. A multitasking mix of moisturizers, including almond oil and kapoku butter, deep condition, repair, and strengthen hair, while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic shine. Cool, so you do use it in the shower just like any other mask. And it retails for $32. And then by Dose of Colors, I have one of their single shadows. This one's in the shade Reflection. And I have one of these before. I haven't used yet, but I do know they're full of glitter. Let's see what color this one is. They even have a little tiny mirror in them. This one looks kind of like a taupe brown color. And that's called their Block Party Single Shadows, by the way. It says this eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra-dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact and retails for $20. And by Bite Beauty, we have an Outburst Longwear Lip Stain. And mine looks like it's in the shade Orange Fizz. Package. And there's the color. It's kind of like an orange red. And there's what it looks like. pulls more red than orange. That could be because I'm pale right now, and maybe with a tan it would show more orange, but something different. I don't have a color like that. So on it says an intensely bold, clean lipstick that's hydrating, long-wearing, and lightweight with easy application and waterproof wear. Retails for $27. The last thing I got in my premium box this month is the Diva Eye Brush Set by Beauty Diva London. Take them out to show you guys, but I'm not going to take them out of the plastic because I'm actually going to stick these in an upcoming giveaway I have going. That's going to come up. So there's what they look like. It's 4 eye brushes. And it says, for those perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. It says perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner, and retails for $48. That was it, guys, for the premium. Now let's get into the Luxe box. This one has the same theme, just a larger card. The first thing I see is a Barbarella eyeshadow palette by B Beauty. Box is the same as the cardboard outer. And this will go in the same giveaway as the brushes, guys, so I'm not gonna touch it or anything. I'm gonna leave the plastic. There's the shades. Have a lot of nice neutrals in there, and then a pop of color with the green and the blue, so a nice mixture. It says, meet the black book of color with subtle shades of straight up blast of color. Jet milled pigments deliver intense saturated light reflective shades with gorgeous textures, plus long lasting and non-creasing silky and velvety finishes. Retails for $50. The next thing I have is a hair mask by Rose and Quartz. A pretty big tub. We were just talking about how convenient the spray mask was in the premium, and then here's one of those tubs I was referring to. But hey, I'm used to it. There's what it actually looks like. It smells really nice. You can definitely smell the rose in it. And that one says, your touchstone of hair products. The Rose and Quartz hair mask suits a spectrum of needs with 0% sulfate, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or phthalates. It suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processes. Vegan and certified cruelty-free, made with love in the USA. Retails for $31. So that's good because I do have to have sulfate-free. I can actually use that one. Next I have by Glow Recipe their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum Deep Hydration and Glow. Mine came damaged. I hope the actual product is not damaged, but the box looks like maybe a box cutter or something hit it in the process, which is weird, but as long as the product's okay, it's fine. It's in a glass bottle. I want to see if it smells like a plum. Let's see. It has a little bit, but it's faint, which is actually good because some people are sensitive to smells. But this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. Retails for $42. I really like Glow Recipes products, so I will definitely be getting some use out of that. Next we have by Beauty Bakery their blending eggs. Really cute. I didn't even know Beauty Bakery had blending sponges. So this is cool. And we get 6 of those, so that's really nice. That'll last quite a while, at least for me. And they feel promising, so we'll see when they get wet what they do. It says, get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on that beat. Cooked up with you in mind, blending eggs were uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for extraordinary caking that's hard to beat. Retails for $18. And then we have by Fenty Beauty their Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And we got to pick our shade. I picked 150. I was thinking for when I self-tan, it would be more of a match. It's a little bit darker than I am now, and I've heard it oxidizes, so that was the goal, to get a shade that would work with my tan. It says this long-wearing light as air foundation gives skin an instantly smooth, pore diffused, shine-free finish. It says this long-wearing light as air foundation gives skin an instantly smooth, pore diffused, shine-free finish. The oil-free formula is made with climate-adaptive technology that's resistant to sweat and humidity and won't clog pores, so that wherever you are, it's going to work on your skin. Retails for $36. And then we have a mini heat brush by Soleil. This was one of our choice options, and I haven't tried a heat brush, so I thought I'd give it a go, even though it is a smaller version. And it does come in the little pouch here. For that, it says the Soleil Mini Heat Brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. Retails for $150. This small thing, $150. I don't know about that. We will see how that works. $150. I expect it to work wonders. Next I have by AMNH Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it looks like it has like stars in it. This is going to be another one of the items in the giveaway. I just don't think that it's something I'd be into with all the glitter and the stars, but I'll stick it in there, and one of you guys who may enter that giveaway that's coming up in a few weeks may end up with it. It says this 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. Retails for $42. Wow. And then the last thing that we got is by Dominique Cosmetics. It's their creamy fill and define lip liner. Here's what it looks like. It's kind of a dark nude color. And it says define and fill in your lips with this unique teardrop shaped liner. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. This silky, long-lasting demi-matte finish is so light and breathable you'll forget you're wearing it. Retails for $18. That's all I got this month, guys, in my boxes. I will, as always, add in the price of each one so you can compare the two. Remember, the Luxe is an every 3-month subscription, where the premium is every month for $35. And the Luxe, why can't I remember right now? I believe Luxe is $45 and the premium is $35. I will have a link down below in case you're interested in subscribing to Boxycharm as well. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos. Hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.